Hey Secondary 2 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery. So, we're on to simultaneous equations, the most easy question to score in Secondary 2 Math. Okay, it's very, very simple once you get it. It's either elimination or substitution. Only two methods. Find the equations from the story, and it will be very easy. Yesterday's one was a little challenging, I think, for those of you who might be new to this. The question was this. And the answers, for those of you who are waiting for it, the answers are Sunny equals 14 years old and Dawn is actually 12 years old. If you got it right, high five, you are a math prodigy. Good job. So how do we do this question? This question requires you to use the quote of the week, which is line by line, the answer is mine. Line by line, the answer is mine. So step one, you must write down what the ages are, okay? So Mr. and Mrs. Lim have a son, Sunny, and a daughter, Dawn. Mr. Lim is 4 times as old as his daughter. So let's just write simply Mr. Lim equals to 4 times of daughter. Mrs. Lim is 3 times as old as the son, equals to 3 son. Okay. The sum of the ages of Sunny and Dawn, so Sunny and Dawn plus Dawn is equals to 26. I think that is the first equation. And Mr. Lim is 6 years older than his wife. So Mr. Lim plus 6 or minus 6 equals to Mrs. Lim. So it's very important. Huh? If Mr. Lim plus 6, that means you have an extra 6 years. But if you actually must minus 6, and then you will get Mrs. Lim's age. Okay. So from here, you can already start doing your little equations, form your equations. So this is definitely one of them. So I want you to, you can either make S and D, X and Y, or S and D. You can just keep it there. It's up to you. For me, I prefer to make it let SHBX and Y and DBY. Very easy for me to see. Okay, so for the first equation, X plus Y equals to what? 26. Good job. First step. Okay, for the second one is actually here. Mr. Lim minus 6 equals Mrs. Lim. So Mr. Lim equals to 4D. 4D we have changed it to what? 4Y. So 4Y minus 6 equals Mrs. Lim is 3S. 3S is what? 3x. 3x. And that is the second equation. Now from here you can easily answer the question already. Okay? So all you have to do is, it's up to you whether you want to do elimination or substitution. I prefer substitution. I don't know why. I prefer elimination. No, I prefer substitution in this question. Okay? So from this case, from 1 you will know that, from 1, you know that x equals to what? 26 minus y. So you sub this into 2. Second equation, in other words. And what do you get? You get 4y minus 6 equals to 3 times 26 minus y. You do your working, you will find yourself to get 4y minus 6 equals to 26 times 3 is 618. 78 minus 3y. You bring over the y to that side, you get 7y. 78 minus 6 is 72. And so you get y equals to 14, I think. Yeah. 14 divided by 7 times 7. Okay. Then you get 12. Yep, you get 12. Sorry, it's 12. 12 times 7 is 72. Yep, correct. And then from, you sub this back into equation number 3, which is here. Into 3, you will get x equals to 26 minus 12 and hence s equals to 14. And that's the answer. If you got it right, high five, you are a math prodigy. Good job, man. Okay, so with that, the question for the day is, during its annual sale, a bookshop sold paperbacks at a fixed price each and hardbacks at another price. Very easy. You already got your equation there. Jack bought 2 copies of each type and paid $16. Jill bought 5 paperbacks and 3 hardbacks and paid $30. Find the cost of each paperback and each hardback. Very, very, very simple. Again, the key to all this is to do line by line, step by step, and the answer is mine. The answer will be yours. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off. You are a math prodigy. Good job.